good morning. So, Teacher Donna here. Today, we are going to study about costing. So, here in this video lesson, I'm going to explain how costing is being computed. You're done with the planning, you have planned with your group mates, with the project plan, and then the next step is, one of the things that you need is how to compute costing. Right? Let's do it. The first step in computing costing, so for step one, compute the amount of materials and ingredients you spend in producing the product. So our product sample here is pastillas. The main ingredients are powdered milk for 150 pesos, condensed milk for 85 pesos, sugar for 65 pesos, and Oslo paper 10 pesos because we're going to use Oslo paper as a wrapper for the pastillas. And if we're going to add all of them, so it is equals to 310 pesos. So that is the total amount of ingredients. Again, for the first step, you're just going to add all of these. Okay, moving forward for step two is computing for labor costs. The question that we are going to consider in computing labor costs is how long did it take you to make the products? Example, group 1 took 3 hours to make 100 pieces of pastillas. So the formula here is minimum wage divided by 8 hours times the number of hours spent in making the product. So we have here children for 160 pesos because that is the provincial rate. So we're here in the province and the provincial rate is for 160 pesos. Divided by 8 hours, bakit po 8 hours? Because that is the average time that an employee is rendering at work. Alright? Multiply by the number of hours spent in making the product. So we're just gonna write for 160 divided by 8 hours. That is 57 pesos and 50 centavos. And then we are going to multiply this by 3 because that is the hours spent in making the product. So 57 pesos and 50 centavos times 3 is equals to 172 pesos and 50 centavos. So that is the labor cost. And for step 3, adding a markup percentage. So the reason why we're adding a markup percentage is for us to gain profit. So we can generate profit when we're adding markup percentage. So children, adding a markup percentage varies. It depends on the industry. For the manufacturing industry, there is another percentage. For food industry, so here we are going to use 40%. So for the formula, add the total amount of ingredients and labor costs, then multiply by 40% markup. So written here, so 310 pesos is the total amount of our ingredients in making the pastillas. And 172 pesos and 50 centavos is the amount of labor costs. So children, you're just going to add step 1 and step 2. Alright, so when we add these two, it is equals to 482 pesos and 50 centavos. That is the selling price. Okay, so the markup formula, selling price multiplied by 40% plus selling price. Okay, so for 182 pesos and 50 centavos, multiplied by 40%, that is our markup percentage. So children, in order to get the 40% of 482 pesos and 50 centavos, just like what you studied or what you learned in math, you are going to convert 40% into decimal. So we can convert 40% into decimal by moving the decimal point twice to the left. So in this case, the decimal point is here at the end of the zero. So we're just going to move it twice to the left. 1, 2, done. Okay, so 40% is equals to 0.4 or 0.40. So we're just gonna get that. So 482.50 times 0.4 is equals to 193 pesos. So 193 pesos, we call it markup price. So for the product costing formula, selling price plus markup price. So we're just going to copy this because this is our selling price. 482 pesos point 482 pesos and 50 centavos plus 193 pesos, the markup price, is equals to 675 pesos and 50 centavos. So that is the total amount plus markup. Okay? And for the last and final step, computing of amount of product per piece. So this is the formula. Total amount plus markup divided by the number of days. Okay, so we're just going to write 675.50. So total amount plus markup. So where did we get 675 pesos and 50 centavos? From here. Okay, so you're just going to copy. And 100 pieces is the number of beans. If you still remember from the previous slide or from the first slide that I've shown you, this group created or have made 100 pieces of pastilla. So we're just going to divide it. 675 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 100 is equals to 6 pesos and 75 centavos. So there you have it, children. That is how much you are going to sell the pastillas. So 6 pesos and 75 pesos per piece. Okay, there you have it, children. So these are the steps in computing, costing, amount of materials and ingredients, labor costs, adding a markup percentage, markup price, total amount plus markup, and amount of product per piece. So children, you can keep on playing this video if you are still confused, if you're still having a hard time, and please don't hesitate to contact me through Gmail or through the chat at adonavirgilio@mtsf.edu.ph. Thank you.